Welcome back to the channel. You know, if you hang around the pro shop long enough, or spend your weekends listening to the old-timers down at the 1,000-yard bench, you are going to hear the same dogma repeated over and over again. They will tell you that unless you are mortgaging your house to buy a rig, you are never going to see true precision. We have all seen those builds. Chassis systems that look like they belong on a Mars rover, glass that costs more than my first pickup truck, and a price tag that makes your wallet weep. The industry loves to push the narrative that you have to pay a massive admission fee just to stack rounds through one ragged hole at 100 yards. But I am going to let you in on something the high-end custom shops don't advertise. Some of the tightest groups I have ever seen punched into cardboard didn't come from a $3,000 boutique platform. They came from what I call the sleepers. These are the blue-collar working-class rifles, sitting on the rack at your local gun store, gathering dust while everyone drools over the Gucci gear. Today, we are breaking down 6 rifles that have absolutely no business shooting as accurately as they do, considering what they cost. We are talking about brilliant engineering shortcuts and mass production miracles that deliver sub-MOA performance on a beans and rice budget. If you like tools that punch way above their weight class and you want the raw truth about ballistics without the fluff, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Let's get to work. Number 6. The Savage Axis II. Starting us off at the 6th spot, we have the platform that basically forced the entire industry to rethink the entry-level bolt gun. I am talking about the Savage Axis II. Now look, Savage Arms has never been the company you go to for winning beauty pageants. Back in the mid-20th century, when everyone else was polishing deep bluing and hand-rubbing walnut, Savage was in the lab figuring out how to make a barrel shoot straighter for less cash. The Axis line is the modern evolution of that function over form philosophy. There are 2 critical reasons this thing is an absolute tack driver. First is the barrel nut system. Instead of hand threading and fitting a barrel to an action, which costs a fortune in skilled labor, that nut allows them to dial in the headspace perfectly on every single unit on the assembly line. It might be ugly as sin, but it works. Second, the 2 in the name means you get the AccuTrigger. This was a total paradigm shift. It is a user-adjustable trigger with that bladed safety in the center, giving you a glass rod break that feels like a match-grade upgrade right out of the box. Is it refined? No. The stock feels like cheap polymer, and the finish is basic parkerizing. But Savage dumped all the manufacturing budget into the lockup and the rifling. It makes the list because it democratized precision. It proved you could mass-produce accuracy. The pros here are undeniable. Stellar downrange performance and a massive catalog of calibers. The cons? That stock is flimsy, flexes too much, and the bolt lift can be a little stiff compared to the high-dollar boys. You are looking at a sticker price around $450, but I see these on shelves for $350 to $400 all day long. Number 5. The Ruger American Rifle. Coming in at number 5 is the heavyweight contender that took the fight directly to Savage. The Ruger American Rifle. When Sturm, Ruger, and company decided to enter the budget arena back in 2012, they didn't just copy everyone else's homework. They engineered a tank. Ruger has a reputation for building guns you can use as a sledgehammer and still hold zero, and the American is cut from that same cloth. The secret sauce here is what they call power bedding. These are integral stainless steel bedding blocks molded right into the stock, locking the receiver in place rigidly and letting that barrel free float perfectly. Consistency is the mother of accuracy, and that bedding system provides a rock-solid foundation you usually pay a gunsmith big money to install. Pair that with a cold hammer-forged barrel and the Ruger Marksman trigger, and you have a recipe for serious precision. I also really dig the 3-lug bolt design. It gives you a short 70-degree throw, which means you clear your scope bell easily and can run that action fast. This earns its spot because it is pure, rugged utility. It is a tool for the working man that shoots like a laser. Those cold hammer-forged barrels are legendary for their lifespan, and that rotary magazine fits flush and feeds reliably. On the downside, just like the Savage, the stock leaves a lot to be desired in the hand, and sometimes that bolt has a distinct zipper sound when you run it until it breaks in. MSRP is floating around $579, but street prices sit comfortably between $450 and $500. Number 4. The Mossberg Patriot. At number 4, we have a rifle that attempts to inject a little bit of class into the budget sector, the Mossberg Patriot. Now, I know what you are thinking. Mossberg? The pump-action shotgun guys? Yeah, the folks who make the 500 and the 590. But do not sleep on their rifles. They have been boring barrels for a very long time. The Patriot dropped in 2015, and it was Mossberg planting a flag, saying they could run with the bolt-action giants. What grabs you here is the aesthetics. For a budget gun, this thing is actually handsome. You can get them with decent walnut stocks, and they come standard with a spiral fluted bolt and a fluted barrel. That fluting cuts weight and helps with cooling, but let's be honest, it also just looks custom. It uses a standard push-feed action with a dual lug bolt. It is simple, reliable, and feeds like a hungry dog. But the reason it is on this list is because it delivers honest accuracy. That defies the price tag. If you want a rifle that shoots like it cost $3,000, but you also don't want it to look like a piece of plastic junk, this is the ticket. The pros are the style points and the feature set. Getting fluting and wood for under $500 is almost unheard of. The con is that the action can feel a little bit gritty compared to a hand-lapped custom job, and the plastic drop magazines feel a bit cheap in the hand. You are looking at a starting price around $480, but with rebates, you can snag these for under $400. Intermission. We are halfway through the list, and we are getting into the heavy hitters now. While you are watching, do me a solid. Head down to the comment section and let me know, what is the cheapest rifle you own that outshoots your expensive ones? I love hearing those stories about finding a diamond in the rough. All right, let's get back to the countdown. Number 3, the HOA 1500 Xiao Weatherby Vanguard. Number 3 is a global powerhouse. This is an action so robust that other premium manufacturers buy it, rebrand it, and sell it as their own. I am talking about the HOA 1500, which you also know as the beating heart of the Weatherby Vanguard. These are made in Japan by HOA Machinery. Since 1967, they have been perfecting this design. It is essentially an improved, beefed-up version of the early Sako actions. It features a flat-bottomed receiver with a massive integral recoil lug and a forged steel bolt with an M16-style extractor. This is not a budget design. This is industrial-grade manufacturing. Whether you buy it stamped HOA or stamped Weatherby, you are getting a sub-MOA guarantee right out of the box. The metalwork is superior to almost anything else in this price bracket. It is a forged steel receiver and a hammer-forged barrel. This makes the list because of the build. Quality. You are getting a semi-custom action for pennies on the dollar. The pros are the incredible strength of the receiver and that guaranteed accuracy. It is a platform you can build on forever. The cons? It is heavy. That steel construction adds ounces. And the factory Hogue stocks, or the basic synthetic stocks they come with, are functional, but they are the weak link in an otherwise perfect chain. You can pick up a barreled action for around $400 to build your own, or a complete rifle for between $600 and $700. Number 2. The Tikka T3x Lite. Sliding into the number 2 spot is a rifle that honestly blurs the line between budget and premium. The Tikka T3x Lite. This is Finnish engineering at its finest. Tikka is owned by Sako, and these rifles are built in the exact same factory as the high-dollar Sako precision rifles. The philosophy here is simple. Sako performance, stripped down to the bare essentials. The T3X has a cult following for a reason. The action on this thing is like glass. I mean it. You can cycle this bolt with your pinky finger. It is the smoothest action you will ever feel for under $1,000 period. It comes with a cold hammer-forged Sako barrel that is deadly accurate. And unlike the others on this list, the synthetic stock is actually rigid and well-made. This rifle represents the point of diminishing returns. It gets you 95% of the way to a full custom rig performance. It proves you do not need to spend $3,000 to get elite handling and ballistics. The pros are that buttery smooth bolt, the crisp single-stage trigger, and the lightweight design. The con is the price creep. It sits at the very top of what we can call cheap. Also, the magazines are polymer and they are strangely expensive to replace. MSRP is around $850, but you can usually find them on the rack for $750 to $800. Number 1. The CZ457. And that brings us to our number one pick. This might throw some of you off, but hear me out. It is the CZ457. Yes, it is a rimfire. It is chambered in .22 long rifle. But this platform perfectly embodies the spirit of this video. CZ has been the undisputed king of bolt-action rimfires for a long time. The 457 is the evolution of the legendary 452 and 455. This isn't a toy. This is a trainer built to centerfire standards. It features a push-to-fire safety, a fully adjustable trigger, and the coolest feature, an interchangeable barrel system. You can swap calibers or barrel profiles in minutes. The machining, the lapping on the barrels, and the fit and finish are what you expect on a rifle costing 4 times as much. The reason it hits number one is the value of training. This rifle allows you to shoot one-hole groups at 50 yards and learn wind calls at 200 yards, all for pennies, per trigger pull. It mimics the feel of a full-size precision rifle perfectly. The pros are the bench rest quality accuracy and the modularity. The wood stocks are gorgeous. The only real con is that the magazines usually only hold 5 rounds, and the higher-end trim levels can get pricey. But the base models, like the American or the Lux, start around $550 MSRP, and you can find them under $500. So there you have it. 6 platforms that prove you don't need to mortgage your house to put lead on target accurately. These rifles show that smart engineering and focusing on the fundamentals, the barrel, the trigger, the bedding, matter way more than the brand logo stamped on the side. At the end of the day, remember this. A $5,000 rifle won't fix a $5 flinch. It is the shooter, not the gear. But these guns make it a whole lot easier to get there. I want to hear from you guys now. Did I miss your favorite budget tack driver? Sound off in the comments below. If you got some value out of this video, go ahead and hit that like button, share this with your range buddies, and make sure you are subscribed to Gunman Ballistic. Train hard, stay safe, and I will see you on the range. Gunforge out.